Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm back with another Deribit.com tutorial and we are finding user ID on Deribit. Finding Deribit user ID is super easy, so let's get started. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference and type in Deribit.com inside the URL box and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Deribit.com account as well. And once you're logged in, you'll end up in the home page. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Just mouse over to that and then click on Account Settings. Under your Account Settings page, you'll see your user ID displayed. Your user ID is a long string of numbers, which is usually 6 digits long. You can write it down in a piece of a paper or secure it somewhere safe. Your user ID is mainly used in a few special cases such as API access, customer support, or third-party tools. So that is how you find your user ID in Deribit.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.